Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we're tackling something that's probably flooded your social media feeds.
Oh, yeah. What do we got?
It's this Tobio Pocket watercolor set. You must have seen it. Marketed, and I quote, as the 2025 creative hobby innovation.
Ah, that one.
Right.
It's everywhere. And I get the appeal.
Totally.
They promise this like super sleek, ultra compact kit, perfect for travel.
Instant creativity on the go, they say.
Exactly. Premium pigments, supposedly. And this brush that holds its own water. No cups, no mess, zero setup. Sounds great, right?
It does sound great. But okay, let's maybe dig into the marketing behind it first. Because our sources flagged some pretty aggressive tactics.
Yeah, that's putting it mildly. We're talking classic digital pressure points here. Some might call them dark patterns.
Dark patterns, like what specifically?
Well, the website hits you hard with manufactured urgency. Constant low stock alerts, big countdown timers ticking away.
The pressure buy.
Totally. It's all designed to make you feel like you have to buy now. Plus, they splash over 100,000 happy customers. Right there. Big FOMO play. Fear of missing out.
That urgency definitely works on people. But then, okay, the purchase is made.
Yeah.
And the story changes. The logistics seem to be where things get messy.
That's a huge disconnect, yeah. It smells a lot like a high-volume dropshipping operation.
Even though the branding feels sort of European.
Exactly. They hint at it being European-made, but then buyers figure out pretty quick the packages are coming straight from China.
Oh, okay.
And that means, well, unpredictable delays. We're talking weeks, sometimes months, and, a worrying number of people saying their orders just never showed up at all.
Wow. So a premium image, but maybe a budget supply chain reality.
That seems to be the case. Build the brand feel, but use the cheapest possible fulfillment.
Okay, that's a really key finding. But let's shift gears. What about the actual product? If or when people finally got it, was it actually premium quality?
Well, if you only look at the 5-star reviews they feature on their own site, you'd think so.
Not bad.
But yeah, external sources, forums, social media comments, they paint a very different picture.
What were people saying?
Lots of complaints about, like, cheap plastic for the casing, not sturdy at all.
Okay.
The brushes were apparently quite flimsy, breaking really easily. And the premium pigments, reports say, they were pretty weak, low color strength, probably not light fast, not what a serious hobbyist would expect. Not even close.
Right. And this leads to maybe the most concerning thing we found, the transparency issue. Sources mentioned that when customers trying to complain publicly about the quality or the shipping, what happened?
This is where it gets really problematic. Allegedly, the company started deleting negative comments off their social media pages.
Seriously? Deleting feedback.
And even blocking users who were just asking, legitimate questions like, where's my order?
Wow. Okay, that changes the whole conversation, doesn't it?
It really does. It goes beyond just like a disappointing product. It points to a deliberate effort to manage their image by silencing criticism.
So that 100,000 happy customers claim feels pretty shaky then.
Impossible to verify, really. If they're actively curating their feedback like that, you just can't trust it.
So let's try and pull all this together. The hype, the pressure tactics, the shipping chaos, the quality issues, suppressing criticism. Is this Tobio set just a flat-out scam?
Look, it's nuanced, right? The product does physically exist. Some people, especially total beginners, they do seem to genuinely find it fun, portable, relaxing even.
So not a complete scam, technically.
Not in the sense that you pay and get absolutely nothing, usually, but it's definitely a masterclass in misleading viral marketing, fueled by a questionable supply chain.
Okay. So for you, listening right now, maybe thinking about picking up a new hobby, what's the takeaway?
It's all about setting your expectations.
Radically.
If you are literally just starting out, you want something super portable, maybe just for casual sketching on the train, and this is key. You're prepared for potentially long shipping delays and basically zero useful customer support if things go wrong.
Then maybe.
Then maybe it's adequate.
Yeah.
But you have to understand, you're buying a cheap drop-shipped gadget, not some kind of creative innovation. If you want decent pigment quality or you need it to arrive reliably, absolutely look elsewhere. Spend a little more at a real art supply store.
That's a critical difference, isn't it, between the viral promise and the functional reality. We've really seen the mechanics behind that gap today.
Yeah. And maybe here's a final thought for you to chew on. How much weight should we really give to something marketed as an innovation when the core problems aren't about creativity at all, but about really basic stuff? Like, can they ship it reliably, and will they be honest with customers?
Yeah.
Something to think about next time you see one of those countdown timers online.
Definitely something to think about. Thanks for diving deep with us today. We'll catch you on the next one.